Oh, hey guys, Mike here, back with another video. And today I got a special unboxing and setup for you guys. I recently purchased a Micke Desk from IKEA. It's was $99 Canadian, and most of my editing I was doing on my videos was at the dining room table, and then that just wasn't working out for me. So I needed to get myself a desk. So this is the first part of my dream desk, and I'll put a link in the description below for this desk from IKEA, and let's go ahead and enjoy the unboxing and setup. She is all done and she is a beaut. So I wanted to tell you guys the reason I bought this desk was because I have a small bedroom here, or I guess small office. As you guys can see, there's not much room. Also, I'm sharing it with the cats. And I wanted something that wasn't too obtrusive in the bedroom, something that just took up a little corner. And this desk is perfect. It's got like some drawers here. You can put like some electronics in here, and then you got the cupboard here as well. And the one thing I like about those shelves is you can change the distance between them in case you have any, like, for example, tall books or something like that. You can take them all out if you like as well. So that's one thing why I chose this desk. It's completely customizable, and also this cabinet here you can move to the other side. So you don't have to have it on the left-hand side. You can have it on the right-hand side, and you can buy it. When you buy it, they're all interchangeable. So it's not like you have to buy one that goes on the left side only. They're completely reversible whenever you like. So there you guys go. I hope you guys like the video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and drop a like. That definitely helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.